Hi there, welcome to the video. In this video, I am going to explain what is PHP, its prerequisites, and some important features of PHP. Now let's understand what is PHP. PHP is an open source, interpreted, and object oriented scripting language that can be executed at the server side. PHP is well suited for web development, therefore it is used to develop web application, which means application that executes on the server and generates the dynamic page. PHP was developed by Rasmus Ladroff in 1995 as version 1. Current PHP version is 8.0.9, released on 29th of July 2021. The some important points about PHP are: PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is an interpreted language, that is, there is no need for compilation. PHP is faster than other scripting languages, for example ASP and JSP. PHP is a server-side scripting language which is used to manage the dynamic content of the website. PHP can be embedded into HTML. PHP is an object-oriented language. PHP is an open source scripting language, and PHP is simple and easy to learn. Now let's understand what are the prerequisites of PHP. So before learning PHP, you must have the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So learn these technologies for better implementation of PHP. So HTML is used to design static page. CSS helps to make the web page content more effective and attractive. JavaScript is used to design an interactive website. So I recommend to learn this technology before learning PHP. Now let's understand some important features of PHP. The first and most important features of PHP is performance. PHP script is executed much faster than those scripts which are written in other languages such as JSP and ASP. PHP uses its own memory, so the server workload and loading time is actually reduced, which results in faster processing speed and better performance. The second important feature is open source, which means PHP source code and software are freely available on the web. You can develop all the version of PHP according to your requirement without paying any cost. All its components are free to download and use. The third important features of PHP is platform independent, which means PHP is available for Windows, Mac, Linux and Unix operating system. A PHP application developed in one OS can be easily executed in other OS also. The fourth important features of PHP is database supports. It supports all the leading databases such as MySQL, SQLite, ODBC, etc. The fifth important feature of PHP is loosely typed language. PHP allows us to use a variable without declaring its data type. It will be taken automatically at the time of execution based on the type of data it contains on its value. The sixth important features of PHP is security. PHP is a secure language to develop the website. It consists of multiple layers of security to prevent threats and malicious attack. This is all about this video. In this video I explained you about the PHP, its prerequisites, and discuss some important features of PHP. In the next video, I am going to explain how to download and install PHP in PC. Thank you for watching Technology 021.